Alright, YouTube, we're about to fly through it. We're having shitty issues again. What's new here? No. Oh hell, I didn't see which one was the patch. Don't know that matters anymore. Base. A Carlos Hyde shiny card. And a Zach Mettenberg rookie, not numbered. No, I don't. Base. A Julian Edelman, some type of refractor. And a Troy Nicholas. Interesting logo at the bottom. This feels like the hit. Good luck. We got a Robert Quinn on the front. Alright, for the Eagles, we're on fire like a match in a cigarette. Zach Ertz. Some form of vet auto, I assume. It's super thin. Zach Ertz. And a Robert Quinn refractor. Second year autos are the best. A Calvin Johnson refractor. And Aaron Murray that we're looking for, I guess. A Marcus Lee die cut, looks really interesting. And a Kelvin Benjamin rookie. Alright, the other hit. Another paper thin. A DeQuiz Denard rookie. And the hit. For the Titans, Zach Mettenberg. He's called his name. Jersey autograph. Not numbered. Alright. And a Trey Mason rookie. A insert of Brian Hartline, a Taj Boyd, and Odell Beckham rookie. A Randall Cobb refractor, and a Jarvis Landry rookie card. A Mike Evans rookie Jasmine Sizer card. Very sparkly. A Drew Brees card. Insert. Montavious Bryant and Aaron Donald. Paul Richardson, 3 out of 99, insert. Kadeem Carey and a Logan Thomas. A Johnny Manziel insert card. And a Charles Sim. And that is box 1. Let's do 2 a video. That'll work. What is your feed going in and out or something? Your feed is fine, huh, Joe? Normally the other way around. Yeah, like I said, worst case scenario, you'll see the recap. Yeah, no. Base. EJ Manuel sparkly card and a Jeremy Hill rookie. Hold on 1 second. Base. CJ Spiller's shiny card and a Greg Robinson rookie. Larry Fitzjenkins insert, Johnny Manziel rookie card, and Austin Safarian Jenkins. That's a patch, I hope. A Aaron Murray and a Bishop Shanky. Matt Forte insert and a Jared Abbrederis rookie card. Get well soon, fella. Victor Cruz, 27 out of 99. Insert Devontae Adams and Paul Richardson rookie cards. Feels like a hit there. Abacadabra. Le'Veon Bell, I believe. Insert card. Is that a refractor? Nope. And nope. AJ McCarron insert and a Robert Heron. Well, that feels like a hit. Could it be 3 hits? Des Bryant refractor and a Connor Shaw rookie. That's definitely a hit. Because it is a pooch. Is it backwards? Nope, that's the card in front of it. How they slide that in there? Alright, we got color robbed for the Rams. Trey Mason. There is like a 0.25 centimeter of patch in there. Trust me. Whoever gets the card, you'll barely see it. And the rookie is AJ McCarron. Wow, we got hijack on the patch. Alright, it wasn't an auto. Logan Thomas, fancy die cut thingamajig. Oh, there's a backwards card in here. Is it a hit? Nope. Blake Bortles, Jordan Lynch, Anthony Barr, and Allen Robinson. Well, that's why it was hella cards in it. Yeah, 3 rookies. This is a hit, and it's a pooch. Jesus Christ, where's the color? Terrence West. Getting close. Terrence West, no damn color patch. Jesus. Or is that supposed to be a jersey? Base, Jordan Matthews rookie. We shall return. And a Jadeveon Clowney rookie.